outside in the autumn daytime. I love my life, and I feel like I am finally making my way down the river towards Avalon. Saying oh to the sunshine. Say hello to the moonrise. What is this celestial body in the sky?
Well, I woke up at the station, miles from your company, with your conscience asleep in my pocket. Yeah, no, nothing that you thought you'd need. So I spent my time in the hollows, you on and off my feet. Followed you down to the depths of the west, but you never looked back for me. No, so golden ocean, cover me in sunshine. I've been in the dark for too long, yeah, hiding in the shadows at dawn. No, so golden ocean, cover me in sunshine. I need someone to love, yeah, someone I can hold in the sun, and there might be enough. When I came back down the mountain, with nothing I could lay at your feet, I wandered the hills till the morning, but I found nothing you'd acquire from me. So from the righteous to the rotten, I've traded my share in each. Every man is the same if you cut to the vein. There's a boy staring out to sea. Yeah, so golden ocean, cover me in sunshine. I've been in the dark for too long, yeah, hiding in the shadows at dawn. No, so golden ocean, cover me in sunshine. I need someone to love, oh, someone I can hold in the sun, and that might be enough. Water's coming in from where the cooler is. It covers my clouded eyes. I've been following where your love had been, never found it in time.